Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving minimize maximum pair sum in array. Now we will be given an array called nums, and the array nums will be even length, and then we want to pair up all the numbers into a group of 2, and our goal is to minimize the maximum pair in the array based on how we pair them. So if we look at this example, if we were to pair 3 with 3 and 5 with 2, the max would be 7, and we can return 7 as our result. Now if we want to minimize the maximum pairing for this example, we will pair 2 with 6, 4 with 4, and 3 with 5, and all three of the numbers are 8. So we will return 8 as our result because that is the maximum pairs sum that we can minimize. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, we will have to minimize the max pair in the array, and to do that, we should always match the largest number with the smallest one, the second largest with the second smallest, and so on and so forth. So the third largest with the third smallest, fourth largest with the fourth smallest, and continue that until we have no more numbers to match. So if we want to match them in this order, then we will have to first sort the input array, and then we can set up 2 pointers, one on the left side of array and one on the right, and then we will move the pointers throughout the array, and along the way we will keep track of the largest pair sum that we have calculated, and after iterating through all the pair sum, we will return the largest pair sum in the array, because we know that if we sorted and set up the 2 pointers, then we have minimized the maximum pair. So let's go through this example real quick. So the left pointer will be at the beginning, right pointer will be at index 5, which is the end. So first we need to sort the array. Now we will look at the end. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and it's greater than the previous result, so we will set the result to 8. Look at the next one, the sum is still 8, so it's equal to 8. Keep result as 8. Look at the next pair, 4 plus 4 is also 8, which is equal to 8, so we keep the result as 8. And now that we have checked through all the pairs, we can return 8 as our result. So the time complexity would be O of n log n, where n is the number of inputs because it will take n time to sort this array, and the space complexity will depend on what sorting algorithm you use, but for me I will use the Python built-in sorting function, and that would be O of n. So now let's get to the coding part. So first we will sort nums, then we will set the left pointer to 0, right will be length of nums minus 1, and we will set result to 0, and now we will look through each pointer, so while left is less than right, we will calculate result, so it will be the max of result, or nums of left plus nums of right. Now we need to shift the pointer, so left plus 1 and right minus 1, and after finishing the while loop, we'll return result. Let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.